morning, students. Today I am going to teach your revision class factors that help build self confidence. What is self confidence? Self confidence, simply put, is a feeling of trust or confidence in one's own abilities, qualities, and judgments. A self confident person will believe in himself or herself and be ready to take on any challenge or risk that comes his or her way. Self confidence is an essential part of humanity. A person with self confidence will, like himself or herself, will be willing to take risk to achieve their personal and professional goals and always think positively about the future. Factors that help build self confidence. Social factor. Society plays an important role in the molding of individuals. The family is the basic unit of a society. As the child grows up, the attitude of the parents plays an important role in what person the child will turn out to be. If the parents are constantly scolding the child and comparing him to others, it is only natural that the child will grow up thinking he or she is a failure. There will be a total lack of confidence, and in its place will grow fear and reluctance to take on any challenge. Lack of love and attention from the parents can also be detrimental to the development of the child. On the other hand, excessive attention and love can also make the child grow up incapable of facing reality with all its challenges and failures. The child will not be self confident but rather dependent on his or her parents for everything. Physical factors. Our physical appearance is what has been bestowed upon us and not chosen by us. So there is no reason why we should let it affect us, as we have no say in it and cannot change it. We must keep repeating to ourselves that beauty is only skin deep and what really matters is the inner self. We live in a society where dark skin is still considered ugly. We should not let such prejudices of physical appearance affect us. One of the best ways to feel good about your body is to work on having a healthy one. Exercising and eating nutritious food are key to developing a strong and fit body and a positive attitude towards yourself. It also helps if you maintain good personal hygiene and are neatly dressed. We should also take care not to be prejudiced against people who are physically different from us. Do not discriminate against them. Differently abled people are sometimes among the most determined and talented people. Next, cultural factors. Broadly speaking, culture refers to the shared values, beliefs, and norms of a specific group of people. Culture, therefore, influences the way we learn, live, and behave. Hence, it is believed that culture plays an important role in shaping our personality and self confidence. One of the underlying assumptions that confirm the effect of culture on personality is that people who are born and brought up in the same culture share common personality characteristics. Our culture greatly contributes to the development of our beliefs and values, and these beliefs can greatly influence the individuals we turn out to be. Building our self confidence. Identify your negative thoughts. The first step is to sit down and identify the negative thoughts that are pulling you back and reducing your self confidence. Translate the negative thoughts into positive ones. Maybe not all at once, but slowly take each negative thought and see how you can turn it around. Focus on the positive rather than on the negative. As you let go of all the negativity, only positive thoughts will remain with you. You will then naturally start thinking positive and there will be no room for negative thoughts. Connect with positive people. Once you have tuned your mind to think positive, it is important that you surrounded yourself with positive people so that there is no scope for you to backtrack. In fact, some of their positivity will rub off onto you. Identify the well intended people you interact with and avoid the naysayers and those who constantly put you down with their criticism. Build a positive network of people around you and make it a personal goal that you will spend time only with encouraging and motivating people. Find joy in little things. Very often, we let external factors govern our lives to such an extent that they eclipse the things that really make us happy. Practice self care. Groom yourself well at all times. Take care how you appear. Even though you are simple, as long as you are neat and clean, you will be telling yourself that you are worth caring about. Look at the you in the mirror. There is the facial feedback theory that says that your facial expressions actually trigger certain emotions in the brain. So look at yourself in the mirror and give yourself a smile. Set yourself realistic and attainable goals. When your goals are ones that are attainable, as you achieve them, you feel a sense of pride and accomplishment which will make the confidence in yourself grow.